Hello, my name is Jan and this is our truck. It's a Mercedes 1224 LN2. It was a fire brigade. So we built this truck to carry our gear because it's so heavy and wasn't possible to do it in a van. Here inside there are fog machines and projectors for our work. And we travel around the world with our art, we do light art, and that's the reason why we built this truck. Our website is artificialowl.ch and there you can contact us for booking. So this is like a team cabin, a Swiss fire brigade team cabin. They're super rare. It's called Doka, like double cabin. And let's have a look. We take it all out because when we pick it up it was so loud inside. So I'm an upholsterer and I isolated everything and did like a new concept. It's even also our guest room, so we can flip this bench and we have a second bed. And we have here even the possibility to pass through inside the main box where we live. Let's come in. You pass us first, our shower, our wet room. And the good one is the dirt keeps here. Even this bowl, it's all the wood parts, even in the kitchen, it's all made with a self-grown cherry tree. And it was a crazy work, but we love it. The inside of our home, here is like the living room, kitchen and our bedroom. In the background with the laser-fetched felt, with the skyline from Dresden, that's a city in East Germany. We built this up, this is our room, and you saw already the front cabin with our guest room, and this table we can move and do it down. Even here we can do like some emergency bed for a friend or whatever, you never know what happened on a trip. We have a lot of storage, but the most cool storage here's everything like power bank, and we made this one. It's just like the loading station for drone cameras and all battery stuff. This bench we have storaged our Victron energy battery. It has a 24 volt 200 amp hours battery, and it's that huge because one argument is we live whole time here, we want to travel during winter time, and when it's possible I can power my projectors to work a little bit with the landscape and to do some cool shots. I'm a professional light artist and we do huge artworks for light festivals and parties. Our must-have gear for our truck life are, like the most of us, we have cameras, drones, a gimbal. For my wife it was so important to celebrate a little bit Christmas, so we have less Christmas decoration. For sure we have climbing stuff, we love to climb. And for the ultimative climbing experience, we have our poopy shovel with a compass. And the compass is quite well to find the way back from the trees, from the woods, wherever you are. When we build a next truck, I will do a Bodenheizung. How do you say?
Heated floors.
So, when we build a next truck, or we prepare probably a new box for the truck in a few years, then I will do a floor heating, and next time I take away my fingers for building the doors. I think they should be made by a company. Didn't have the knowledge between the different materials like aluminum and fiberglass, so I'm a carpenter and I used to work with wood. And this wasn't my job, or not my best job. Sometimes when the heat works the material, they don't want it close. When it's too hot, we need to pull BAM! And to open like you play football, American football. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this travel montage.